What if I told you that every time your manifestation is not working, it is not because that you are doing it wrong. It is because your energy is blocked. You're shocked, right? I understand. You have been doing affirmation, journaling, meditating, but still nothing is shifting. Problem in relationships, problem in money, problem in career, feeling stuck, feeling heavy, feeling like कुछ काम ही नहीं करता है. Nothing is working for me. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine one of the most powerful ancient healing prayers in the world, which is Ho'oponopono, with the energy healing to remove those blocks and finally let your manifestation come true. So, and I am 200% guaranteed that if you do this full practice with me, you will feel the shift. So, let me explain something very, very important. First, most people think manifestation is about what you say. You say, I am abundant. You say, I am healed. And then you wait, but nothing comes. Why? Because here is the truth. And this is something which is really wanted to share, which I really wanted to share with you for a very long time. When you are releasing anything or manifestation anything, your emotion is important. Your words are not important. Your subconscious mind is carrying old energy, old pain, old memories, old belief from years, sometimes from childhood, sometimes from past, and that creating blocks in your energy field. And these blocks, they act like a wall between you and what you want to manifest. You are trying to pour water, but pipe is blocked. So no matter how many manifestation you do, it is the energy block is there. If the energy block is there, the manifestation cannot come true. Samajh aaya? Do you understand? Now, what if I told you that there is one practice that works on both level at the same time that clears your energy and alignment for manifestation? This is exactly what we are going to do it today. Yeah, so I am going to talk about a beautiful Hawaiian technique called Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono, this is an ancient healing prayer and it has healed thousand relationships, broken heart, money blocks, energy blocks, pain, and so many different kind of healing. The entire technique is built on four magical phases. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. That's it. Four praises, you're shocked, right? So simple, but so powerful. But now, here is what I'm going to add something very, very important that most people don't know. As a Reiki Grandmaster, I have worked with energy for many years. And what I have discovered is this Ho'oponopono is not just a prayer, it is an energy clearing tool. So, when you say these four phrases with full emotion, full surrender, you are literally sending the healing frequency in your energy field. You are dissolving the blocks at the cellular level. And once those blocks are dissolved, your manifestation has a clear path to come to you. This is a combination I'm going to teach you today. Energy clearing plus Ho'oponopono plus manifestation alignment all in one practice. Before we go to the practice, I want to ask you something. Think about one thing in your life right now that you have been trying to manifest. Could be love, could be money, could be healing in relationship, could be a job also or a business. Just one thing. Hold it into your heart. Got it, right? So, with it in the comment. So, now what do you have to do? You have to comment, write in the comment below just that one word. Is it money? Is it love? Is it health? Is it career? Whatever it's work for you. Because when you decide it, when you declare it, you are already beginning the energetical alignment. And if you haven't subscribed it, please do it right now because what comes next is the most powerful and you don't want to miss it. So, okay, let's begin. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you can. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more settled. And now Place your hand on your heart and feel the warmth of your own hand on your chest. This is your energy center. This is where we begin. So, now, very gently bring your mind to that one thing which you wrote in the comment. Don't force it, just analyze it. Just allow the feeling to the surface. Maybe there is a heaviness in your chest, maybe tightness in your stomach, maybe some old memories come up. Whatever comes, just notice it, don't judge it. This is your block, and this is what we are going to clear it today. Keeping your hand on your heart, keeping that you're feeling the present, being to say these four phrases, and you can say them silently or loud. Now you can start with I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Now say it again. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. One more time. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So now it's very important. Don't just say the word, feel them. I am sorry for carrying this block, for believing the old story. Please forgive me to yourself, to forgive me to yourself, to the universe, to anyone involved. And thank you for this awareness, for this healing, for this moment. I love you to yourself, to your energy, to the divine. When you do it, you will feel it full surrender to the universe and the divine will take care of everything. So do this minimum 7 times or 21 times, breathing slowly between each round. Now, the final step. After the clearing, your energy field is now has space. The pipe is no longer blocked. So, this is a moment to plan your manifestation with your hands still on the heart. See what you want to manifest. See it clearly. Feel it. It's already done. So, feel the emotion of having it, not wanting it, having it. So, this is what activates the manifestation, your emotion, your frequency, your alignment, and then release it, surrender it. Say, I release this to divine. I am open to receive it. I release this to divine. I am open to receive. I release this to divine. I am open to receive. Now, I am going to tell you that how to use this every day in your life. So what you have to do, you have to do it for 21 days every morning. Before you pick up your phone, before you do anything else, do this practice for just for 10 to 15 minutes. In 21 days, you will see this shift. I am 200% guaranteed. One more thing. This is very, very important. You have to be accountable for whatever is happening in your life. Ho'oponopono teaches us everything in our reality we have created at some level, because when you take the responsibility, you take back your power. And the powerful person, an energetically aligned person, that person always manifests. Some of you might thinking, but Sujata, I have tried for so long. How do I know this work? And I'll say to you, your emotion is more powerful than any technique. When you do this with genuine feeling, with genuine surrender, the universe must respond. And it's not a matter of belief, it's a matter of energy law. So let me share what I have seen with my own client. One woman came to me. She had been trying to manifest her life partner for 3 years. Affirmation, vision board, everything. Nothing was coming. When we did this energy clearing together, in just the first session, she broke down crying because what came up was not about relationship at all. It was old block. I am not worthy of love. That block sitting in her energy field for years was stopping everything. Within 40 days of this practice, she met someone and today they are together. Another person struggling with money, same story. The block was the old belief. People like us don't have money. Our family has always struggled. Ho'oponopono, but energy clearing dissolved the old pattern and abundance started following. So this is why it's not only affirmation that need to change, it's your energy that need to clear. So now to summarize it, ground your energy is step 1. Identify the block. Step 2, fill it without judgment. Step 3, Ho'oponopono clearing. 4 phrases, 7 round, full surrender. And step 4, plan your manifestation in your clear field. Feel it as already done. Do this for 21 days and watch that shift. If you did this practice with me today, write in the comment, I did it. That's all. So I know. And if you have felt a small shift, please share this video because someone in your life, someone need this today. If you want to go deeper, personal healing energy, manifestation guidance, DM me. I'll share you how can we work together. Save this video and come back to it whenever you feel stuck, heavy or blocked. This is your tool. Thank you so much, everybody. You are loved, you are worthy, and you are aligned. Bye bye and take care.